first step is to set up the system's date and time. Locate the date and time on the lower right part of the screen, right-click on it, then select Adjust Date and Time. Then, choose Set Time Automatically. Then the date and time will adjust itself based on your location. So the date today is March 27, 2021 and 10:20 a.m. Saturday. The next step is to set up the name and work group. Go to this PC, right-click on it, then select Properties. On the right side of the screen, click Change Settings, type your computer description, click Change, then type your desired computer name. Then next is the computer work group. And press OK. A dialog box will appear asking you to restart your computer to apply the changes. Then press OK. To check the changes of the computer name and work group, go to this PC. Right-click on it, then select Properties. Now, we can see here the name and work group we set earlier. The third step is the installing of the network driver. There are multiple ways for it, but I used the one done in the device manager. Go to this PC, right-click on it, then select Manage. Then from the tab, click Device Manager. Then select Device Manager. Click Network Adapters. Then right-click on a particular device. Then click Update Driver. A tab will appear, then select Search Automatically for Drivers. As for my computer, it is indicated that the best drivers for my device are already installed. Step is configuring the network settings. On the lower right part of your screen, right-click on the Wi-Fi icon, select Open Network and Internet Settings. Choose the Change Adapter options. Then, look for your active connection. Right-click on it. And select Properties. From the tab that appeared, select Internet Protocol version 4. To assign your own IP address, click Use the following IP address. My desired IP address is 192.168.1.14. Then the subnet mask is automated, Class C. Then the default gateway is my router's IP address, 192.168.1.1. Then the preferred DNS server is same with the default gateway. Your alternate DNS server should not be the same with the preferred DNS server. Then, press OK to apply the changes. To check the network configuration, go to the command prompt, type ipconfig, then press Enter. Then we can see here our new IP address assigned. Check the connection using the ping command, access again the command prompt. So I will use ping space 192.168.1.1 and press enter. We can see here 4 sent, received is 4 and 0% loss.